I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone, hello universe, it's me again. Shoutout sa inyo mga kababayan. Ayan, ihatid natin, i-upload natin guys, i-update natin ang pagpunta ni Pangulong Marcos dyan sa Amerika, no? Ayan, bumaba siya, siyempre, i-update natin sa inyo ang kanyang mga activities dyan sa Amerika. Ayan yung pagdating niya mga kababayan. Sinalubong po siya ng siyempre mga opisyalis ng Amerika. Ayan. Shoutout sa inyo mga bes. Ayan. Sa mga Marcos loyalists sa Amerika. Shoutout. Supporters. Ayan. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Napaka-VIP ng Pangulo. Natulog po siya sa guest house. Yung tinatawag na Blair ng Washington DC. Tignan nyo kung gaano ka-special si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Binigyan VIP talaga. Ganun talaga pag mabait. Siyempre, sabi nga, special connection dahil matagal na magkakilala si President Trump at saka si dating First Lady Imelda Marcos at saka si dating Pangulong Marcos Sr. So, ito pa, mga kababayan. Yan naman, mga kababayan, yung sabi dito, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. meet with Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth at the Pentagon in Washington DC, United States of America, USA on July 21, 2025. Ayan, nakita natin ang Pangulo. See? Kasama po ang mga gabinitis niya, siyempre. Hindi natin alam guys kung anong pinag-usapan nila. Pero isa po ang nakikita ko, ang Amerika ay magpapatayo ng yung gawaan ng guys, yung mga tawag dito, yung mga bala. Correct me if I'm wrong. Dito sa may bandang Palawan. May video ako dyan eh. Ayan Wow, galing. Tangkad pala ito si DND Secretary Hegseth Ayan. Ang Pangulo. So, ito pa mga kababayan. Man ay 14 hours ago, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. hold a meeting with the U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio in Washington, D.C., United States of America on July 21, 2025. Bagay. In a readout by the Office of the Spokesperson of the U.S. Department of State, the meeting of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and Secretary Rubio underscores that the importance of the ironclad alliance between the Philippines and the United States in the maintaining peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region. Both reaffirmed their shared commitment to defense, deference, and reinforcing freedom of navigation and overflight in support of free and open Indo-Pacific. Tuloy, the President and Secretary Rubio exchanged views in advancing their countries, share the prosperity, including through the Luzon Economic Corridor, by strengthening supply chains and delivery economic growth to both countries. Agay. Likewise, both are looking forward to maintaining regular high-level engagement between the two nations as friends, partners, and allies, particularly in light and 80th anniversary of the Philippine and U.S. diplomatic relation in 2026. Guys. Ito yung pinaka-highlight guys. Ayan. Secretary of State. See guys. Ayan Kita nyo yan. Ayan. Nag-sign ng Pangulo. O diba guys? So yun mga kababayan, ito pa. So ito naman, aiming to deepen the Philippines' economic ties with the United States of America. USA President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. engaged in discussion with the top executive of some of the nation leading investment firm during a meeting in Washington DC on July 21, 2025. Oh, sabi sa inyo investor pa more, ganyan si PBBM. Walang sinasayang na oras. Oh, di ba? Ganyan dapat ang leader. Ay kilalang mga businessman ang mga kaharap niya. Oh, basahin po natin tuloy. Founded in 1992, Cerberus serves as an established alternative investment advisor with approximately 65 billion in assets across complementary credit, private equity, and real estate platform. Goes. Laki, grabe. $65 billion. Grabe, mga besa. Sabi po dito, mga besa, meanwhile, I Squared is an independent global infrastructure investor founded in 2012. It is known for the development of investment platform and infrastructure using global insight and local intelligence to solve complex problems, foster smarter businesses, serves local communities, and invest in more sustainable future. Oh, you see, mga beswa? KKR and Co. Incorporation is another global investment firm investing across private markets and every assets class all over the world. Ayan, no? Nakipag-meeting ang Pangulo, mga kababayan. Sikat na sikat. Ay, kilalang mga business leaders yan. Ayan, no? Wow. Ang galing talaga ng Pangulo, no? Pagdating sa mga ganyan. Magaling siya guys, mag-encourage. Talagang magaling siya, guys, mamuno. Lalo na pagdating sa dialogo, magaling siya. Ito pa, mga kababayan. Ito naman, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. hold a meeting with the top executive of the Semiconductor Industry Association as his official visit to Washington, D.C., United States of America, USA, continues on July 21, 2025. Sus, wala talagang sinayang na oras, Grabe. Napaka-hard work talaga ito ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. According to the Philippines Ambassador to the United States, Jose Manuel Babe Romualdez, the semiconductor industry constitutes 56.6% of the Philippines' total export. The country is also host to over 500 electronics and semiconductor firms, including major US companies. Ay, wow, social. Di kayo naloka. No. The ambassador further emphasized that the semiconductor sector is one of the Philippines' biggest industries with strong economic ties with the United States. Sabi sa inyo, galing, no? Ito yung mga highlights, guys, yan, kung nakikita nyo dyan, kasama po si Mr. Rason. Yun, yung mga puting buhok. Isa sa pinaka-icon ng Pilipinas. Billionaire nga, ika nga. Yan. Nakikita, ang galing talaga ng Pangulo, kaya ni Sara Duterte yan, guys. Kaya ni Sara Duterte yan. Makiharap dyan sa mga kilalang businessman. Grabe. Baka utal-utal siya magsalita. Kaya sabi ko hindi siya pwede talaga maging Pangulo. Wala siyang diskarte. Puro paninira lang anak. Di ba mga beswa? Hindi niya kaya. Talaga naman, hindi siya marunong makipag-dialogo. As in, walang alam Walang alam kundi itok-itok. Yan mga besa. Kaya dyan nyo makikita kung gaano kagaling ang Pangulo sa kanyang mga diskarte, the best. Diba? See? Kasama kanyang mga gabinitis. So, yun guys, ang aking pinaka-latest updates. Yung activities niya na ito guys, pakikipag-usap sa mga kilalang businessman, mga investors. Inunan niya muna yan bago ang pagkikita nila ni President Trump. Huli kasi yun So, i-updates po natin yan. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa inyong watching. See you again on my next upload. Bye 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 and babush. God bless Philippines.